Binita Mataji, are you there?
Yes, Mataji, I am there.
Live, can we open the live and then we can start the call now?
Yes, Mataji, I started recording. Next thing, I am opening the live.
Okay. Yeah.
Vrinda, can you get me the phone, please? I'll call the police.
Only Advaita joined very early. That's why we were practicing before sloka. We are doing today only 3 sloka from Yatha Rishikesa. Okay. Yatha Rishikesa. Oh no, it's still there. Yes.
Wait, what are we doing?
We are reciting the sloka, okay? Yesterday I sent the revision sloka, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sloka. Who want to go? 1 second, Mataji. I also do the... I will tell Asra also.
यथा ऋषिकेशकलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदतिचिरं पिता विमोचिताहं च सहात्मजा विभो त्वयैव नेथेन मुहुर्विभागनात्
Krishna Chaitanya, go next sloka. You can go ahead. Next sloka.
Okay, Machati.
Okay, I will open because these slokas are very difficult. A little hard also.
असत्सभाय वनवसकृताः मृदे मृदे अनेक महारक्तस्ततो द्रौणी अस्मृताश्च स्माः विराक्षितः.
Next sloka, Krishna Chaitanya.
Okay, Machati. पादसन्तूतसस्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवता दर्शनं यच्छाद अपुनर्भवा दर्शनम्.
Yes, vipasantuta swaswat tatra tatra jagadguru.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I say it next?
Yes, Asutosh. Thank you, Krishna Chaitanya. Asutosh, go ahead.
Which one's the first one I have to say?
Yatha Rishikesa. Yatha Rishikesa.
Yata Rishikeshakalena Devaki Kamsena Radhiram Sucharpita Vimochitaham Cha Sahamaja Vibho Toeva Natena Muhur Vipadganat. Which is the next one? Oh yeah, okay. Visamanange Purushad Darsanad Asad Sabhaya Vanavasa Krichayatta Mide Mideneka Maharastito Dronaya Astatas Kasmahare Bihar Sitaha. Vipadasantutah sasvat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavato darsanam yatsyan apunar bhavadarsanam. Hare Krishna.
Who is there next? Who want to go next?
Mataji, can I go?
Who is this?
This is
Advait?
Advait.
Yes, Advait. After Rishikesa, okay?
Okay.
Yatha Rishikesa.
Yata Rishikeshakalena Devaki Kamsena Gudchitam Surapita Vimochitam Cha Samaja Vivobaha Tvaya
Yes. 1 second. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Who want to go next? Anybody want to try?
Satvik.
Satvik and Janavi. Okay, Satvik. Go ahead, Satvik.
यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुचि अचिषद सुतपिता विमोचि हंस ब्रह्म आत्मज विभो त्वय्वाय नातेन विमत्कनात् विशाल महाग्न पुरुषार्थ दर्शन असत्सभाया वनवास के क्षण मुझे मेरे महा आत्मज विभो द्रौणेय अस्तमसि हरे वृक्षिता विपद सनस्तु दासश्वे जाओ कुरु भवतो दक्षर यत्सयात् अपना भाव दर्शन.
Thank you so much, Satvik. How old are you, Satvik?
He is 5 years old, Mataji.
Very nicely you memorize all the sloka. Very nice. Who want to go next? Jahnavi. Go ahead, Jahnavi. Yatha Rishikesha.
यथा ऋषिकेश कालेन देवकी कंसेन रुद्राक्षि चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचितहंस समर्थ विभु त्वमेव नातेन मुहुर्वितकनात्.
Next one.
विषन्नाग्ने पुरुषा अदर्शना असत्सवायो नरकृत्सतः मृदेनेका मारतासतो तोन्यासतस्मा हरिविरक्षिता.
Thank you, Jahnavi. Asra, you want to try?
Okay, Mataji. Oh, there's one more, right? She has to do Vipada.
Oh, yeah. Vipasantata. Yeah, Jahnavi, go ahead.
विपता संतुता तस्वा तत्वा तत्वा जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत्सा अपूर्ण भवदर्शनं.
Thank you, Jahnavi. You also memorized so nicely. Asra, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji. Yata Rishikesh kalena devaki kamsena rudati chiram sucharpita vimochitam cha sahatmaja vivo vayevanatena muhur vipadkanat.
Can you read the translation also, Asra? 23.
Okay. O Rishikesh, master of the senses and lord of lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious king Kamsa, and me and my children from a series of constant dangers.
Do you remember the story? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, next one.
Vishan Mahagne Purushad Darshanat Asat Sabaya Vanavasa Krikshita Mrde Mrdeneka Maharatashrasta Maharatashrato Drauni Ashataschasma Hare Virakshita Vipada Santataha Sasva Tatra Jagadguru Bhavato Darshanam Yatsyada Punarbhava Darshanam.
Thank you, Asra. Thank you so much, Jahnavi and Asra. Who want to go next?
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Yes, Akshita. Go ahead, Akshita.
यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदार्ति चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहात्मज विभो त्वयैव नातेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात् विशान् महाग्ने पुरुषदर्शनात् असत्स्वभाय वनवासकृच्छिता मृदे अनेका महात्रास्तत्र द्रोणे अस्त्रतश्चस्म हरेर्विरक्षिता विपदशन्तु तशस्वा तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनं यस्याद् अपुनर्भव दर्शनं. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Akshita. Who want to go next? Rishikesh. Go ahead, Rishikesh.
Yata Rishikesh kalena devaki kamsena rudachiram sucharpita vimochitaham cha sahatmaja vigo twai banatena muhurvipadganat विसान्महाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनात् असत्सभाय वनवास कृच्छता मृदे मृदे अनेक महारथास्त्रतो द्रौण्यस्त्रतश्च स्मारे अभिरक्षिताः विपदा सन्तु तस्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपुनर्भव दर्शनम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Who want to go next? Anybody want to try? Balavrinda, are you there?
Yes.
Mataji.
Go ahead.
Yatarishi.
यतारिषिकेश गलेव देवकी कंसेन नरुदारि चिरं चुचार्पित विमोदिताहं स महात्मजा विभो त्वमेव नाथेन विभुर्विभद्गणात् विसान्महान् पुरुषाद दर्शनात् असत्सभाय वनवास कृच्छ्रुतः हृदे हृदे अनेक महारथास्पतो
हरि
अभिरक्षिताः.
This one I did not teach her, Mataji. You can make her repeat once if you have time. Mataji, you are on mute, Mataji.
Okay, anybody is there? I will do 3 slokas together with all of you. These slokas are a little difficult to memorize. Anybody want to try before that? Anybody want to try the slokas? Okay, you all can repeat after me. Yeah.
Gayatri wants to repeat.
Who is this?
Gayatri.
Okay, Gayatri. Go ahead, Gayatri.
तारशिकेश गलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदति चिरं सुचार्पिताः मोदितां च सत्मा च विभो त्वमेव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात्.
Next one.
विशान्महाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनात् सत्सभाया वनवास कृच्छ्रुतः मृदे मृदेनेक महारथास्त्रतो द्रोण्यास्त्रताश्चास्महरेभिरक्षिताः.
Last one. The one.
विपाद साधुता शाश्वत तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनाम्यत् स्यात् अपुनर्भव दर्शनम्.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mimonish. Mataji, you're on mute.
Okay, Gayatri, very nice. You did a very good job. Monish, you can go ahead.
यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदति चिरं सुतार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहस्माज विभो त्वमेव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात्.
Mataji, third sloka. Third sloka, Mataji.
पादसन्तुता सस्वद् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यस्याद् अपूर्णर्भव दर्शनम्.
Thank you, Monish. You also learned so nicely. Everybody doing so good job. You can, whoever didn't get the sloka, you can also repeat after me, and then we'll go the today's sloka. Yeah. Yatha Rishikesa Khalena Devaki.
Yatha Rishikesa Devaki.
Everyone, you can all repeat. Yatha Rishikesa Khalena Devaki.
Yatha Rishikesa Khalena Devaki.
Kamsena Rudhati Chiram Sucharpita.
Kamsena Rudhati Chiram Sucharpita.
कंसेन रुधाति चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहत्मजविभो विमोचिताहं च सहत्मजविभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणा त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणा Okay, I'll read one time translation also. You can all also just get an idea what Kunti Maharani is telling. O Rishikesh, master of the senses and the lord of lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious King Kamsa and me and my children from a series of constant dangers. Next one. विशान महाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनाद विशान महाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनाद असत् सवाय वनवास कृच्छ्रतः असत् सवाय वनवास कृच्छ्रतः मृदे मृदे नेका महारथास्रतो मृदे मृदे नेका महारथास्रतो द्रोण्यास्त्रतास्तस्मा हरि विरक्षिता द्रोण्यास्त्रतास्तस्मा हरि विरक्षिता Okay, here what Kunti Maharani is telling. My dear Lord, your Lordship had protected us from a poison cave, from a great fire, from cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from suffering during our exile in the forest, and from the battle great general forts. And now you have saved us from the weapon of Aswasthama. It's the last week's sloka. Vipad santuta swaswat. Vipada santuta swaswat. Vipada santuta swaswat. Tatra tatra jagat guru. Tatra tatra jagat guru. Avato darshanam yasyad. Avato darshanam yasyad. Bhavato darshanam yasyad. Apunar bhava darshanam. अपुनर्भवदर्शनम् अपुनर्भवदर्शनम् Okay, we'll read the translation. You can practice at home. Okay, it will be very nice when you learn in this age. This all the sloka, all the prayers. It will be very nice. I wish that all the calamities would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated birth and death. Okay. Did everybody get chance?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next sloka, today's sloka.
Okay.
Just I will do word by word. 1 second, I did not put this one. Word by word, I forgot to put. 1 second, okay. Vinita Mataji and Brinda want to try for a second. I just have to put word by word. I forgot today word by word. Just a few minutes I need. Anybody want to try from the beginning? Somebody can try the sloka. It's Konteya Vasa. Anybody want to try? Konteya Vasa. Who is this?
Samskriti.
Yeah, Samskriti. Go ahead from the Konteya Vasa. Others can mute. I have a small work here. Okay. Konteya Vasa.
Namasye purusham tvajam Ishwaram prakrite param Alaksham sarvabhutanam Antarbahir avashchitam Maya janvikakchannam Avjadokshavamafyam
Nalaksya
Buddhadasha
Natyadharo yata.
Tata paramahamsanam muninam amalatmanam bhakti yoga vidanartam katam pasyemahi sriyaha
Krishnaya
Vasudevaya devaki nandanaya cha nandagopa kumaraya govindaya namo namaha Namo Pankajanaಭaya Namo Pankajamaline Namo Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangraye.
Yes, next. Yasa Rishikesa Kalena Devaki.
Mataji, I'm still practicing that one.
Okay, you want to, anybody want to do from the beginning? Mataji,
Mataji, Sai. Mataji, Akshita, go. Mataji, Satvik.
yeah, Akshita, I didn't hear Sai. Can we give the chance to Sai first? Because I didn't hear him. Okay, Sai, go ahead.
Mataji, can you put that slide for?
I cannot put. Can you go and read from your things? I am doing some small work here.
Yes, Mataji, I can do. Me, Monish.
Yes, Monish, go ahead. From the, yeah.
Karthik.
Monish and then Karthik.
Kauntilvacha namasye purusham tvadhyam Iswaram prakrute param Alaksham sarvabhutanam Antarbhairavasthitam Maya javanikanchannam Adnadokshajamavayam Nalakshase muradisa Nato natyadaro yata Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namo Pangajanamaya Namo Pangajanamani Maline Namo Pangajanetraya Namo Pangajanamine.
Still learning, Mataji.
Thank you. Karthik want to go. I think Karthik and Akshita, and we can start our today's sloka. Okay, Karthik and Akshita.
Kunti uvacha namaste purusham tvajam Ishwaram prakate param alaksham sarvabhutanam antarbahiyavasthitam maya jaminikachanam madhya doksha savyam nalaksha mudaradarsa tata paramahansana munina mamalatmana bhakti yoga vinanadam katam pasyemahi striya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Namo Namaha Nama Pankajanabhaya Nama Kajamaline Nama Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajang Kraye
Mataji,
Vipudar Santutar Sastva Tatra Jagat Guru Apurna Bhava.
இந்த குழந்தை சொல்றது பாரு கார்த்திக் அழகா சொல்றான்.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Karthik.
I was saying
Yes.
it was
Thank you, Karthik. It's very nice. Mataji, can you see that my sloka now? Something happened to me.
Yes, Mataji, we can see the sloka.
Okay, yeah, something my screen is not showing. It's okay. Something is happening anyway. I have to go another cloud meeting. Okay, I'll go through this one. Okay. Are you seeing nicely? Yes. Okay. Everybody got chance. Yes. Somebody join later.
Yes, Mataji, I want to go.
Who is this?
Prahalad.
Do you want to say the sloka from where?
From the other, I want to say the other shlokas.
Okay. From the beginning. Okay. Go ahead, Prahlad.
Kunti uvacha namaste purusham tvadyam ishwaram prakate param alaksham sarvabhutanam antirbahiravastitam maya javnikachanam agnyadaksha jamavyayam nalakshase mudrisha nato nayandaro yata tata paramahamsana munina mamalatmanam bhakti yoga vidadartam katam parsemahi striya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Nama Pankajanabhaya Nama Pankajamaline Nama Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangre Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Ruddha Tichiram Sucharpita Vimochita Hamcha Sahat Naja Vibho Tvayaiva Natena Muhur Vipadganat Vishan Mahagne Purshad Darshanad Asad Sabha Vanavasa Karchita Mridana Kamahastrato Adrani Astra Kasam Bhakte Vipad. I don't know the last one.
Okay, no problem. Vipasant, who is this? Can we go today's sloka? Okay, now everybody I think got chance. Okay, Akshita, you want to do the before sloka? You were asking since long time. Yeah, you can go the.
From the beginning?
Yes.
Pranav. Kunti Uvacha.
Oh, Pranav, yeah. Yeah. Yes, go ahead.
Kunti Uvacha Namaste Purusham Tvadyam Ishwaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Antarbahiravasthitam Maya Javanikachanam Ajnadokshajam Avyayam Nalakshase Mudadrisha Nato Natyadarorita Tata Paramahamsanam Munina Mamalatmanam Bhakti Yoga Vidanartam Katam Pashyemahi Striyaha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namo Pankajanabhaya Namo Pankajamaline Namo Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangraye Yata Rishikesha Khalena Devaki.
Akshita, I think you did this sloka, only beginning sloka.
Okay.
Pranav, you can go ahead. I heard Pranav.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, thank you. Pranav, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead, Pranav.
Antyo vacha namasye purusham tvadyam Ishvara prakrite param alakshyam sarva bhutanam antarbahiravastitam maya javanikachanam agnyadokshajamavyayam nalakshase मूढ़दर्शाः नटो नाट्ययदरो यतः तथा परमहंसानां मुनीनाम् अमलात्मनां भक्तियोगविधानार्थं कथं पश्येम हिस्त्रिया कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नमः पंकजनाभाय नमः पंकजमालिने नमः पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ये पंकजांग्रिये यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेनारुदाचितिरं सुचार्पितं विमोचिताहं च सात्मजा विभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपत्कनात् विष्ठान्महाग्ने पुरुषाददर्शनात् असत्सभाय वनवासकृच्छरात् मृदे द्रौण्या आस्त्रश्च हरे भृष्टा
हरे विरक्षिता.
Thank you, Mataji.
Please, please, just give me a little bit.
Okay, thank you. Now we can go to the shloka. Thank you, everyone. You all are doing so nicely. This is today's shloka. I will read the word by word, and then we will go to the translation, and we will see one moral story, and we will learn the shloka. Okay. Janma, birth. Aishwarya, opulence. Shruta, education. Srivi, by increasing. Madaha, intoxication. Puman, the human beings. Na, never. Eva, ever. Arhati, deserves. Avidhatum, to address in feeling. Why, certainly. Tom, you. Akinchana gocharam, one who is approached easily by the materially existed man. See, this sloka translation I'll read first. If you all want to repeat after me, that's fine. My Lord, your Lordship can easily be approached.
Your Lordship can easily be approached.
But only by those who are
Only by those who are
materially existed.
materially existed.
One who is on the path
One who is on the path
on the path of material progress,
on the path of material progress,
trying to improve himself
trying to improve himself
with acceptable parentage, great opulence,
great opulence,
high education,
high education,
and bodily beauty,
bodily beauty,
yeah, go ahead. Cannot approach you
cannot approach you
with sincere feeling. See here, Janma, Aishwarya, Janma means birth, Aishwarya means opulence, Shruta means education, Srivi means by increasing, by the possession of beauty, Edha, Mana, this kind of increasing, progressively increasing, Madaha, intoxication means whose good birth. You know, good birth means what? Who is taking birth in the good family, who has a lot of money, yes? Who is businessman. This good birth, Aishwarya means opulence, so many beauty, yes, house, everything, yes, facilities. Shruta, education, who is very educated. Srivi means by the possession of beauty. If you are very beautiful, this kind of person sometimes become proud by their opulence, by their aishwarya, by their beauty. Mataji, can you mute to everyone? Yeah. Okay, by taking birth in good family, having opulence, having good education, and having good feature, good beauty, people get sometimes very proud. Yes. Do you have this kind of experience? If somebody has so much of money, beauty, and then opulence, you know, and if somebody is very educated or very in your class, somebody is like very talented. Sometimes they are very proud. Yes. And Kunti Maharani is telling this kind of person, they will not come, they will not pray to Krishna by sincere heart, with their sincere heart. Here is I just want to share one um, 1 second. News here. Stop. News here. Yeah. Yeah, there is a very nice story. I just want to share with all of you. Proud Pandit. Okay. You can go. You can see Mataji. Can you see?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. This is a proud Pandit. What will happen when you become proud? Okay. One day, a Pandit was traveling across the Ganges in a boat. I will talk to one of these fellows to pass my time, he was telling. See, who are you? Where have you come from? He was asking to this to farmer. I am a farmer from a village on the other side of the river. This farmer is telling, I am a scholar. I have made deep study of Upanishad. Have you read it? He asked, you know. No, sir, I haven't. They were very poor, yes. You poor fellow, a quarter of your life have been wasted. You know, 25% your life is wasted because you have not studied Upanishad. None other. Well, you must have read the Shastras then, he was asking. No, sir, I cannot say that I have read, that farmer is telling. Then half of your life is gone. What about 6 system of philosophy? Even Brahmana is asking, see. No, I have not, they were telling, you know. Hey, there is a storm. The boat is out of control. Jump over the boat and swim back to the shore to save your life. I hope you, a farmer is telling to that Brahmana, proud Pandit, I hope you know how to swim. No, I have never known how to swim in my life. And he was telling me, never known swimming? Then Panditji, your whole life is gone. He was in danger, see? Moral, Krishna punishes proud people through his external potencies. Again, I go to the another new seers, our regular seers, means sloka. Yes, see, people think I have this money, opulence, you know, everything. My life is very successful, but they don't. If they don't know how to swim in this material world, like this farmer, they were very poor, but they know, yes, how to swim in that river, and they could save their life. Like that, sometimes people, by getting all this opulence, they will forget the aim of the life. Okay, can you repeat after me? This sloka we can learn now. Janmaishwarya Sruta Sriveer.
Janma Aishwarya Sruti Shribir.
Janmaishwarya Sruta Sriveer.
Janma Aishwarya Sruta Shribir.
जन्मैश्वर्या श्रुता श्रीवीर जन्मैश्वर्या श्रुता श्रीवीर You all can repeat, yes? Can you all repeat after me? I heard only 2-3 sound, okay?
Now
Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivi Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivi
Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivi
Edamana Madha Puman
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 Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivir
Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivi
Edamana Madha Puman
Edamana Madha Puman
Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Okay, one by one we can go. Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Avidhatum means to address in feeling, okay? Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Toma kinchana gocharam Tvam kinchana gocharam Tvam kinchana gocharam Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Tvam kinchana gocharam Tvam kinchana gocharam Okay, we'll do whole sloka one time. Janmaishwarya Shruta Srivir Edamana Madha Puman Naivarhatya avidhatum bhai Tvam kinchana gocharam Okay, anybody want to try this sloka? You can recite after practicing also, but if you want to do today, you can also do today.
Sai Mataji, Sai.
Okay, Danavi and Sai. Yeah, Danavi.
Janmeshwarya Sutasha Kuman Mada Kuman
Nevarati
Avidatum
Tamakinchara Gosana.
Thank you.
Tamagori wants to go, Mataji.
Okay, Samagori, go ahead.
Janmaishwarya
Sruta
Suta
Sri Bir
Shivir Edamana Madhupumar
Naivar Hatya
Nivya Hatra Abita Tungai
Tvam Akinchana
Tvam in Akinchana Gocharam.
Thank you, Samagori.
Sai Mataji.
Sai,
Prahlad.
Sai, Rishikesh and Pralad.
Janmaisvarya Shutashir Edanma Madapuman Naivarhatya Bhitum Vai Tamma Kinchana Gocharam.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Yes, Rishikesh and Pralad.
Janmaishwarya Shuta Shrivi Edamana Madapuman Naivarhatya Abhidatum Vai Swam Akinchana Gocharam. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Pralad, go ahead, Pralad.
Janmaishwarya Shutashribi Edamana Madap. Wait, no. Janmaishwarya
Shrivid.
Edamana Mad. Wait, why do I keep saying it like that? Janmaishwarya Shutashribi Edamana Madapuman Naivarhatya Vidatum Vai Tvama Kinchana Gocharam.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Pralad.
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Go ahead, Akshita.
Yashutashri Edamana Madapuman Naivarhati Abhidatum Vai Tvam Akinchana Gocharam. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you,
Hare
Akshita.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Anybody want to try this sloka? Okay, thank you so much, Kiss. Okay, Balavrinda. Go ahead, Balavrinda.
Vrinda Janmaishwarya Shri Edamana Madapuman Naiva
Naivarhatya
Nama Abhikama
Avidhatum
Tvamma kinchana
Gocharam.
Thank you, Vrinda. Thank you so much. Yes.
Can I try?
Yes. Go ahead.
Janmaishwarya Shutashe Vedamana Madapuman Naivarati Avidatum Vai Tvam Akinchana Gocharam.
Thank you, Asra. Can you read the translation, Asra? And so whoever can read, they can read the translation also, okay? If you know how to read. Yes.
My lord, your lordship can easily be approached, but only by those who are materially exhausted. One who is on the path of material progress tries to improve himself with respectable parentage, great opulence, high education, and bodily beauty, cannot approach you with sincere feelings.
Thank you, Astra. Anybody want to try?
Me, Moni.
Yes, Monish, go ahead.
Janmeshwara Srota Bhiriva Idamana Madapumana Naivahatya Abhizvai Atumvai Swam Akinchana Gaukaram Gocharam.
Thank you, Monish. Thank you. Thank you so much. You all are doing so nicely, reciting the sloka. Anybody want to try?
Amma, can I try? It's Advait.
Yes, Advait, go ahead. Yes, go ahead, Advait.
Janmaishvastu Sribir Edama Madana Punam Aivata Abhinat
Naivar Hatya Abhidhatum Bhai.
Naivahatya Abhidatum Vai Swamakshana Gosharam. My Lord,
Thank you. Yes, you can read.
my Lord, your lordships can be usually approached, but only by those who are materially exhausted. One who is on the path of material progress, trying to improve himself with respectable parentage, great opulence, high education, and bodily beauty, cannot approach you with sincere feelings.
Thank you so much, Advait. Is there anybody else who didn't get chance? Thank you so much, kids. We'll send this recording and you can practice. Next week we'll do next sloka, okay? And we are finishing 10 sloka almost, okay? Next week means we will finish 10 sloka. Yes, thank you so much. Because of you, all of you, I'm also learning these prayers, okay? Thank you for helping me also. Yeah,
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Daddy?